Okay. Show me what you learned how to do. Here, Mommy's door is locked. Use my door. Okay. What are you using to pick it?
This thing, and I turn.
Is that a Barbie toy?
Yeah, and I turn like up, and I get in.
And this is what happens if you lock your door. One time they will figure this out. What is that thing you're using? A Barbie
Thing.
A Barbie thing?
Hey. It gives me cookie. If you have to do Got it. I'm trying.
You got it while I was in there. Hey Lee, am I ever gonna get privacy again?
Trying. Oh, what?
Are you doing the same thing you did to get in when I was in there?
Yeah.
This is how you did it?
Mm-hmm. See? I got it.
Oh no!